Okay, I have a 5-pin Euro Alba from Zombielock. Lock does work. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. It's not too drastic. So let's open it up. Take a look at the pins in this Alba. I believe this is about the same as a Yale keyway. Okay, let's use the bottom of the keyway on this one, and let's use this little pick. We'll start the back of the lock, come forward. Okay, we didn't get any thing on that pass. Okay, there's pin 1. Okay, pin 4, as I touched, going to the back, touched it. There's some more on pin 1, I believe. A little bit on pin 5. Okay, there's some more on pin 4. Yeah, we didn't get anything on that pass. Okay, let's try this Peterson gem and see if we can get up inside where the pins are to set them. Okay, it's open on pin 5. Wasn't getting the pick was sticking up in the top instead of pushing the pin up. The pick was just a little bit thick. Okay. Okay, this one I think we're going to lock it back up till we get the clip off. That one looks like might be a little bit of a problem. Okay, that makes it easy. Okay, see if we can push a follower through. Okay, all 5 pins are in and working. Okay, no changes to the plug itself. See what kind of upper pins this has in it. Okay, that's a standard. That is a looks like another standard. That's standard. That's standard. And that's standard. Okay, all this has is standard pins in it, this Alba. So, Okay, that's all we have in this lock is just plain old standard pins in the Alba. They didn't put any kind of security pins in it at all. Okay, Zombielock, I appreciate this Euro. Please, everyone, stay out of trouble and do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.